If you want to revamp that leftover boiled white rice, or you just need a tasty rice recipe in your life, this video is for you. Here are the ingredients you will need. The only two things compulsory here are the rice and the egg. I'll serve it with onion baked chicken. I'll talk about the key ingredients. The full list is as always in the description box below the video. If you don't have this Maggi long neck, who here remembers when Maggi long neck used to grace every Nigerian dining table? An alternative is soy sauce. Both contain MSG, that is monosodium glutamate. If you're allergic to or you don't want to eat MSG, skip these two completely, please. You need boiled white rice. Leftover boiled white rice is best for this. If you want to boil fresh rice, cook it say in the morning so that by evening it would have cooled down completely. That is if you want to serve this meal for dinner. The quantity of red and green peppers to use depends on how busy or sparse you want the vegetables to look in the meal. First, we marinate the chicken with the onion marinade. This is just fresh white onions, thyme, black pepper, a little bit of Suya spice and olive oil blended together. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in with your clean hands. When done, cover and put in the fridge to marinate for at least 30 minutes. After that, put in an oven tray, cover with aluminium foil and bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. This is the size I cut the onions and peppers. For frying the rice, I'll use salt, onion powder, black pepper and thyme. Break one egg at a time, give it a rough beat. Add 1/5 of the mixed seasoning. From this point on, because there are 5 eggs, we will be using 1/5 of every ingredient for each batch of frying. This is applied mathematics. You know, cooking is science. Then fry with a small quantity of olive oil for each batch. Add a few dashes of the liquid Maggi. Pouring in the egg. If you want tiny clumps of the eggs, stir almost immediately. If you want bigger clumps, I'll show that next. You see how I left it for a bit of time before stirring? Then stir for a bit and leave it alone again. This allows bigger clumps of egg to form. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. After about 40 minutes, the chicken should be done. Your own time may vary. Just make sure there is no blood in sight before taking it off. Serve with the rice. You can eat it from the frying pan or mold it with love. If you enjoyed this video and if you can imagine this meal sitting pretty on your family menu, please click the like button to let me know. Bye bye. See you soon.